I just have to show you one of these spectacular shrubs. This is a camellia, and this variety of camellia is called Camellia Japonica. Now, what's interesting about Camellia Japonica is that it blooms in late winter. But if you have a place where you can bring them indoors, like a conservatory, a small greenhouse, even a sunroom where there's some humidity, you can grow camellias all year long. You just want to take them outside in their containers during the growing season so they can enjoy humidity and lots of filtered light. Now you'll notice these are all in containers. And one of the great reasons to grow a camellia in a container is, well, you can display them like this and you can have them bloom early in the winter, but you can also manage the soil. Camellias love acidic soil, and if you live in an area where your soil is sweet or alkaline or chalky, you're going to have a lot of trouble growing this particular plant. And what a fascinating family of plants. This one can take temperatures down to freezing, 32 degrees, and be all right. You want to make sure that the buds are protected, and as long as the buds are in bud form like this, they're probably okay with cold weather. But I'll tell you, once the bloom opens, they're very susceptible to the cold and to frost.